Dealing with clothes is a problem that visually impaired people have to face every day. They often need assistance from others to find the suitable clothes and to tell them how they look with their clothes on. To find the very one clothes from piles of clothes, they often mess up their closets. A solution to this is to hang all the clothes, since hanged clothes are more easily to recognize compared with folded clothes. But they occupy more space in closets. Now, things can be changed. With the assistance of a well-designed system and devices, these kinds of tasks could be easier, more efficient, and more convenient. That is, an ideal clothing experience. Touch and Tag, a new clothing label system. TAT system provides essential appliances including labels, display information of clothes. Label Maker enables users to make their own labels for each piece of clothing. Clothing rollers provide users a more efficient way to organize their clothes. This is our label of 5 cm x 5 cm square made of cloth. The protrusions on it are made of special coating, which is waterproof and quick drying. Special coating provides a different sense of touch so that visually impaired users can recognize them by tactile sensation. We use geometric patterns to convey information of clothes. Once our users learn the meanings of the patterns, they will be able to distinguish different clothing symbols when they touch the labels. There are 5 parts in the label, separated by lines of demarcation. Part A and B show the clothing types of tops and bottoms. The line in between represents the waist. Protrusions, which are represented in blue, present the shapes of clothes. For example, for clothes with zips, the zip part is hollow. Part D shows the color of clothes. 6 squares stand for red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple in a clockwise direction, according to the order of rainbow. Part E shows the patterns of clothes. If there is other important information that users want to mark, they can use 6 diamonds representing 1 to 6 in Part C. For examples, 1 for clothes that get dyed easily and 2 for the ones that are proper to wear at special occasions. Now, let's see how our design could do to users' clothing experiences. A visually impaired person received TAT label system with related products. All kinds of templates of labels are put in the top drawer of the label box, while blank label base plates in the bottom drawer. When the user wants to tag labels onto the red t-shirt, clothing type of tops, t-shirt, clothing type of bottoms, empty, color, red. Pattern, other patterns, for there are both graphics and texts on it. User's definition too. After putting all the templates on the label base plate, she pushes the arrow on the top surface of the label maker. Coating will be brushed onto the base plate and the templates, leaving the shapes of clothing symbols on the label. Next step, she uses the covered button machine to tag covered buttons onto the clothes at wherever she wants. Then she can buckle up the label onto the clothes. Since the coating is waterproof, it is fine to leave them stuck on clothes when doing laundry. When she takes out all the clothes, she can still distinguish each piece of clothing easily. After laundry, she can choose to hang the clothes as usual. The labels will make the finding progress faster. In addition, if there is not enough space to hang all the clothes, the clothing rollers can help. Clothing roller, a long hollow stick made of polypropylene, is designed to provide users with a more efficient way to organize clothes. There is an interstice on the side surface, and a covered button on it. At the middle of the clothing roller, a cotton thread is attached. Stuff one side of the clothes into the interstice and roll them up. Use the cotton thread to fasten them. The corresponding clothing labels can then be tagged onto the top surface of the clothing roller. After finishing, she may put them vertically or horizontally into the closets. Either way, she can easily distinguish different clothes by touching and take out what she wants without messing them up. With TAT system, visually impaired people will have a better clothing experience.